What would happen if you put your phone away for 30 days? Not forever, just 30 days. No endless scrolling, no random reels, no wasting 3, 4, 5 hours a day. Be honest. When was the last time you were bored without reaching for your phone? When was the last time you sat alone with your thoughts? Silence makes you uncomfortable now because distraction has become your addiction. Your phone is no longer a tool, it's an escape. Escape from responsibility, escape from discipline, escape from facing yourself. And slowly, without realizing, it is reshaping your brain. Short attention span, constant dopamine hits, instant gratification. You can't focus in Salah, you can't concentrate in Quran. You can't sit for 5 minutes without checking notifications. That's not weakness, that's conditioning. Imagine removing it for 30 days. The first week, you would feel restless, your hand would reach for it automatically, your mind would crave stimulation, but then something would happen. Your thoughts would slow down, your sleep would improve, your focus would return, you would start noticing things again. Your family, your surroundings, your own emotions, and most importantly, your relationship with Allah. Because right now, your biggest competitor is not Shaitan, it's distraction. Allah says, indeed, Allah will not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Your life won't change until your habits change, and your biggest habit is in your hand. The Prophet said, there are 2 blessings which many people waste, health and free time. Free time. Think about that. How much of your free time is being invested? And how much is being consumed? 30 days without unnecessary scrolling could mean more Quran, more knowledge, more productivity, more discipline, more presence in prayer, more clarity in life decisions. You say you don't have time, but screen time proves otherwise. Imagine replacing 3 hours a day. That's 90 hours in a month. 90 hours. You could memorize surahs, learn a new skill, strengthen your body, repair your relationship with your parents, reconnect with Allah. Bravehearts. Your phone is not evil, but uncontrolled usage is destructive. You were created for purpose, not passive consumption. Try it 30 days. Reduce it to essentials only. Watch what happens to your focus. Watch what happens to your iman. Watch what happens to your discipline. The real question is not what would happen. The real question is, do you have the courage to disconnect so you can reconnect? If this message challenged you, good. Growth is uncomfortable. Subscribe to Braveheart believers. This channel is not for distraction, it's for transformation. Stay disciplined, stay sincere, stay a Braveheart.